Yeah, hello. Once again, is Richard Upoye, and this Lucky Tuesday still. Um, let's see this thing in the Noon Rush paper. This plan has set again, but in a different way, but it's still the same thing. The single one, single six, it has set again. This is the old event. This one at in the Noon Rush Wednesday in the year 2023 event one. You see machine they play single one, then 1, 2, 3, 4. They play single six. So from that single six, correct counting weeks down, the two numbers, that is single one, single six, will come and play. Too sure. But if you remember the last time, he changed them and then use the one here, then the six in machine. Then he changed them, he played the one and then the six rather. But here it's still the same thing. If you come to the current, you see them, you see that there. This is the single one and that is the single six. Even play with the one. So correct counting weeks, the single one, single six should come and play over here. That is what is here. And the last time you could remember is the three numbers that I picked. That is the 87, single one, single six. 87, single one, single six. Then another one here. This one is also in the Noon Rush Wednesday. It's also another one. You can see the first play single six. Then they play single one, single six in machine. Correct counting weeks. You see 50 play at second position. Then following week they play 20. They play 20. So following week the single one, single six is supposed to come and play. Too sure. If you come here, you will see that they intentionally play single one in machine instead for the single six. Then following week they play the single one, single six. But you see, when you watch this one, they play the single six at winning, then the one and then the six in machine. But here they play the one in machine, then the one and the six at winning. So it's the same counting weeks. Then you see 50 play first, following week 20. So the single one, single six is supposed to come and play. That is that too short on the event. It's also here again, setting a different way. Here, you can see they play single one here. That is, this one is in the Noon Rush Thursday. They play single one here at event 31. Correct counting is they play single six, single five in machine. Then they play 20 at winning. So following week, the one will come, the six will come from machine to play with the single one, single six. But here at current, they change it again. They play single six, this single six. Then they play one with the correct counting with this single six. Then they play single one, single five. So they change it again. It's supposed to be one over here, six over here, but they change it and then they play the one with the five. Then they play 20 at winning. So following week, the one and the six should come and play the same thing. Then again, that is also another one. The one that I said also said the same thing and they also play single one in machine. Then they play 70 at winning. Single one in machine, 70 at winning. So following week, the one will come out and play with the six. Here, they play with the 87. This is the one I did not show that time to confirm the 87 single C single one, 87 single C single one. This is what they said over here. The single one in machine to come out and play with the single six is the same thing. So the one is in machine, so it's supposed to come and play with the single one, single six. But if you want to try it, you can add the 87. You can add the 87 to it to give you the three numbers. But single one, 87, and then single six. Single one, 87, and single six. So let's hope the single one, single six will play again. Like how they play over here. It's supposed to play again. The single one is in machine, supposed to come out and play again. So hopefully it play for us to win. Bye for now.